Right, we're on location at our newest acquisition. We are in Lake Highlands, Dallas, Texas. This is 9920 Greenfield. Currently a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. We plan to convert it into a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. But we'll see. We have a couple options with this property. There's a beautiful magnolia tree in the front yard. And this guy, I'm not 100% sure what this tree is. House was built in the mid-60s. It's on a beautiful tree-lined street in prime Lake Highlands. Just give you a look at the street there. And I'm just gonna do a preliminary quick walkthrough, talk about some of our ideas, and just sort of show off the property before the project really kicks off. Say hi, Lauren. So we have a nice oversized front porch with sort of a distressed brick style. What would you call the style of that brick, the way they do that?
Kind of like an English colonial.
Yeah, has the shutters. Really nice curb appeal in this house. Has a nice fence on it. So we have a stairwell in the entry, the foyer, large dining room and living room den. We think we will take this wall and this wall away to add to the overall size of the living room. We'll increase the size of the kitchen and give it a 3-sided waterfall island with a cooktop kind of in this area. Has a really pretty brick fireplace. Maybe I'll show you the courtyard here. Let's see if I can get into this. Are you open, buddy? Nope. Gotta get the lock open. Treehouse, probably won't save it, unfortunately. In 2012, the previous owner had this addition done to the property. It's an oversized 2-car garage with a studio loft, as well as a covered and shingled outdoor bar area. It's all part of an addition that was done back in 2012. We had the blueprints and most of the designs on that project. So I won't go in there, but I'll just kind of show you the exterior. But it's a completely finished garage with an opener and a well, it's not a stairwell. There's just a pull-down attic access. We may add a stairwell to make access more convenient for what's essentially a studio loft, like an artist loft or a small studio space. It has its own mini split air conditioning system. This is the attached 2-car garage. We plan to turn this into a new master suite on the first level of the house. It's a pretty large section of the side yard. Not much of a backyard, but I would say it has this courtyard. And it's really set up for entertainment because of the way that the addition building was put in the bar on there.
Gotta show this.
I know. Yeah, it has the sliding custom bottle shelf. Yeah, look at that.
Party.
I think it's in aluminum too, right? Or steel?
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
SS.
Yeah, really cool outdoor space with this bar. Like I say, we'll probably demo this treehouse and get a little bit more natural light with a tree trimming in the house. This double door goes into what will become an office. This living room, we plan to move the wall of this kitchen outward and increase the size of the kitchen by increasing it this size or this way. This wall will go away. And like I was saying, this one here, we'll have to add a couple beams to help support the second floor, removing those 2 walls. So there's a small bathroom. Electricity is off right now, so I can't turn the lights on, but it's a small bathroom with a full bathroom with a tub and shower, toilet. You could consider this a master down, but it has a shared bathroom. There's a closet here and here, room here, and then the double doors to the courtyard there. So this will serve more as a office with our new floor plan because of adding the master and the garage conversion. This is a downstairs bedroom. Nothing too exciting to see in here. Closet. Then upstairs, that's just a coat closet. There's an existing bathroom that serves both bedrooms. So you have a large bedroom to the left with 2 windows, which is really nice. It's a pretty big room. Pretty large closet as well, double closet. And like I say, this bathroom serves both the upstairs bedrooms. Obviously, we'll do a complete remodel. It's not a really good angle. Let me see if I can show that a little better. And this other bedroom, also with 2 windows. Here we have attic access through the closet, and it is a huge attic. I don't know if I'll have enough light to, well, I guess I got my flashlight with me here. Let's see if I can turn this on. So huge attic space, actually. Goes way up there. There's even a window to the front of the house in here, right there. But we're thinking about adding and framing this in so that we can add that window into the bedroom, give the bedroom a little more natural light. And then in here is what we think will become an ensuite bathroom for what will become a double master or a triple master, depending on how you think about it, because that office I pointed out downstairs has bathroom access, but it's shared with the hallway. You know, so this is a pretty large space, so we feel like we can build a pretty nice bathroom in here. So for sure, the floor plan, we can grow it to be a double master. But depending on how you think about that existing office down there, could even consider it a triple master, you know, because all 3 of those rooms would have their own dedicated bathroom access. Anyway, lastly, the new door to the master ensuite from the garage conversion, we think we'll put there. This will become a wall, this laundry and pantry. Like I said, there'll be a wall here. But the existing 2-car attached garage, we'll put a new facade here with windows and brick. And we'll frame in a utility room, we think, for the electrical panel and the water heater there with exterior access, and maybe a sliding pocket door so that you can get into it from the master suite. I don't have a floor plan in mind just yet for the way the master bedroom will look, but this is about 400 square feet, and this will make a amazing master suite downstairs. And we think we will give it a double French door right there to access the courtyard, just like the office has. Anyway, like I said, we're here in Lake Highlands. It's a beautiful home. It's going to be amazing after the reno. Hope we can get it wrapped up in 5 to 6 months, and we'll be talking about this on the tail end here come December or January. I think that's about it. So stay tuned, and we'll see how this one turns out at 9920 Greenfield Drive in Lake Highlands, Dallas, Texas. All right, signing off.